Wow, this is crazy. Popeyes sold out of chicken. Everybody's going crazy right now, yo. Popeyes, no chicken right now. What the fuck is going on, yo? Oh man, y'all niggas was crazy. Yeah, man. Going crazy. Fuck is it to do when there's no chicken in Popeyes? Everybody going crazy, no chicken. Look at this, man. It's only biscuits and rice. You get biscuits and rice. Niggas talking about sharing. Whoa. Shit. I got mine though. I got mine. Yo, shit. I had to settle for motherfucking chicken strips. Yeah. Yeah. It's crazy. Popeye, so motherfucking chicken. Right. Yo, you sold out the chicken, man? Yo, what happened to the chicken, B?
It's closing time, that's why.
Oh yeah. But how niggas how you come in Popeyes and they say no more chicken, man? That's crazy. Niggas shutting the gate down. It's time to get the fuck out of here, huh? What time is it? 5 in the morning? Oh, damn, what the fuck we doing up eating chicken anyway, nigga?
Listen, we black, we know the deal.
Yo, you already know, man.
We give that camera too.
Yeah, you already. Well, you know I had to get that, man. Popeye sold out of chicken, you dig? This shit is crazy. I don't know what the fuck to say. I got chicken strips, B. I tried to come get a 2-piece. Nigga say, hey, no more. I let your boy.